that's pretty cool. That is a new mural behind one of my friend Keith from Historica Properties, one of his incredible buildings. And there's something really magical going on in the uptown of our city of St. John. I'm right now in what I call Rogue Alley. There's so much cool stuff going on. Oh look, there's a brand new place, public house, wicked, 5 and Dimes around the corner. This place is totally happening. And the reason I wanted to point out this very cool mural up here is because Keith totally bailed us out in this particular episode, because as we remember, we had some of the highest floods that St. John has ever witnessed, and we couldn't get to our house, and our builders couldn't get to our house either. So the day we're supposed to move into Ragged Point, we had no way to get the moving trucks across because it was completely flooded, 100%. So Keith totally hooked us up as a family and took us through a bunch of his apartments, which are absolutely gorgeous.
So yeah, all kinds of history. So here we have the open concept living space. We have a really nice high-end kitchen with stainless steel appliances. But what really sets the tone for this, Greg, is the beams and the ceilings. And then you have the exposed brick on the outside walls. And this is all, St. John. This is like the identity of St. John, and this is what St. John's known for. And we have all this beautiful character and authenticity in the city from 140, 150 years ago that we've kind of been bringing back to life and refurbishing and making really cool living spaces here uptown. In Historica, what we do is we redevelop buildings. We've been doing redevelopment for over 11 years. I think we're getting close to 25 properties in uptown St. John, and I think we might have over 500,000 square feet by now. You want to make a difference, you want to make a change, and you want people to actually feel good about their city. You want people to feel good about their home, and one of the ways you can do that is by instilling pride, by rebuilding the community and kind of refurbishing some of these old buildings. This is a loft up above, which is really, really neat. There's 2 washrooms in this unit. It's a very large unit. Again, new windows. We got the exposed brick. Master bedroom is over this way, Greg, so you can come on in. So you can see we built this ceiling, there's a loft up above it. We buy the old buildings that are 140 years old, and we leverage the brick, the beams, the high ceilings, all the character, and we make it into something that's really cool.
And he finally gave us one that was just perfect. It was on King Street, right in the middle of everything that was going on. And for that, we as a family are so incredibly thankful.
We're in a building, uptown St. John. It's on King Street, the king of all streets, right? So it's the best location you can get. You've got all the exposed heavy timber as well, the thing that we're known for. And it's got lots of natural light, lots of windows. And then when you walk out here, you get a lot of living space. This is probably about 1,800 square feet. And rent would be around $2,500. If you're in Toronto or in Montreal or one of these big cities, you'd probably be paying $10,000 a month. But in St. John, New Brunswick, you can live like a king or a queen for probably a quarter of the price. And hang out with all kinds of cool people too.
Nice. like Keith and Greg.
Yeah, well, I was talking about you actually, Greg.
I'm the Joker. Got the king and the queen. People like Keith and Historica are the ones that are really making this city thrive right now. And there's a new energy and aesthetic to this place that people like Keith have contributed to. Again, this is my favorite little alley. Check it out. Heading into Rogue Coffee right now to grab a coffee to get this episode going. A lot of stuff. Okay, well, we've lugged everything up to our new apartment at Historica Properties. Kai, are you ready to see what we're gonna move into?
Whoa!
Keith, we just got here. We absolutely love it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. We love it.
This is something that we could never do before, Keith. You have allowed us to live the uptown experience for a wee little bit. Thank you, buddy. This is awesome. We love the apartment. It's incredible.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.